back to my channel. So for today's video is nakita nyo naman from the title na gagawa tayo ng swatches and review regarding about sa Sugardolls Creamy Velvet Lip Dip. Sabi daw nila soft matte finish daw siya. So as you can see from the packaging niya, masasabi ko lang is okay siya, maganda. Nakalagay dyan, creamy velvet lip dip soft matte finish. And then sa baba, makikita natin yung shade dito sa baba. And then from the back side is we can see the ingredients. And then it's 5 ml and 12 months after opening. So yung masasuggest ko lang, plastic pala yung ano niya, yung packaging niya. So, very cute and very handy yung kanyang lalagyan. But the only suggestion ko lang is, nung na-purchase ko siya is, hindi siya, wala siyang sealed. So, there is no assurance na hindi pa siya na-open or what. So, makikita naman natin sa loob na malinis pa siya, pero mas maganda yung sealed pa siya, diba? And then also, suggestion ko lang na maybe they can put kung saan siya ginawa. For example, kasi sa mga iba, makikita natin yung made in Quezon, made in Manila. Parang ganun ba? So, yun lang. Dapat sana nilagyan siya ng kung saan siya made. So, yun guys. These items promise na it's long-lasting, soft matte, highly pigmented, lightweight. So, we will try and test after kung tama ba yung mga claims niya. go guys, nakita na natin yung mga swatches ng Sugardolls Creamy Velvet Lip Dip. So ngayon, ipo-food test natin siya kung ano ang magiging performance. Tapos kung kumain ng burger tsaka ng egg na may sibuyas. Yan. Wala na yung sa inang part. So there you go guys. This one retails for 69 pesos only. So for 69 pesos, imagine magkakaroon ka na ng velvet lip dip. So I think this one is very affordable talaga siya. And then there is like 8 color range na pwedeng pagpilian. Maganda yung mga color range niya, in fairness. Kung ikaw yung tao na gusto mo is like simple lang, I think meron akong isang shade na pwedeng i-recommend sa inyo, which is yung ito. Parang, di ba, ang natural lang yung tignan? Di ba? So, ito yun nga. Ito yung in the shade Barbie. O, diba? Ang lakas maka-fresh. Diba? Maganda siya. Bet ko siya. Promise. So, yun lang for 69 pesos. I think very affordable. Very student-friendly sa mga nagsa-start pa lang ng mag-beauty vlog. I think this is perfect for you to try. So, you can buy this online. I buy this online under distributor nila sa Pampanga, which is Miss Clouding. So, you can buy any Sugardolls product from them, and I will link all the descriptions below. So, naman, makabili din kayo, di ba? At matry nyo din. And you can test it out and check it out kung worth the money nga ba. Pero parang sa akin, worth the money na siya, promise. Guys, if you have any suggestions or any challenges na gusto nyong gawin ko, please comment down below because I'm looking for a topic that I can do for my videos that suggested by my viewers. So there you go guys. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and to bell beside it para naman lagi kang notified sa mga bago kong upload.